Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to edit or how to change the location of your existing photos on your Instagram. So for this guys, first you need to open the Instagram app on your device. After opening, in the bottom right side corner you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it and here you can get your all posts which you have posted previously. So if you want to edit any of your existing photo, just tap on it and here on the top right side of your photo you can get the three dot. Just tap on it and here you can get the option edit. Now in the location section you can get the option to edit. Just tap on that location. From here you can easily able to change the location of that existing post. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.